Want to add smooth scrolling effect on your WordPress site to give a modern and polished look to your site? In this video, we're diving into the smooth scroll block from Blocks, perfect for adding smooth scrolling effect on your WordPress site with ease. Whether you're looking to add simple smooth scrolling or want to add infinite loop in your scroll or even want to add custom easing, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the smooth scroll block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for smooth scroll. This is the block. Simply enable it. Let's see the settings of smooth scroll block. This block adds smooth scrolling out of the box without doing much settings from your end. However, you can customize the settings as per your requirement. So let's see the options. In the Simple tab, you will find some options. From the duration, you can set how far it will scroll on single mouse scroll. From the normalized wheel toggle, you can control the smooth scrolling speed. From the wheel multiplier, you can specify how far the page will move when you scroll with your mouse wheel. Higher the number, faster it moves. Lower the number, slower it moves. Then from the touch multiplier, you can set how much the page will move when you swipe on a touch screen. Higher the number, faster it will move. Lower the number, slower it will move. From the advanced tab, you can set easing. From the easing drop down, you can select different types of easing in your smooth scrolling. You can even add custom easing. For that, you have to add JavaScript math expression. We'll see that in a bit. Let's select this easing for now. Then from the infinite toggle, you can loop this scroll. Once it reaches to the bottom, it will automatically scroll back to the top. And if it reaches to the top, it will automatically scroll back to the bottom, creating an infinite loop. Let's see how it looks. See, it has added a smooth scroll. See how it scrolls back from the bottom to top, creating an infinite loop. If you reverse this, it will go back to the bottom. For this, you have to add JavaScript math expression. You can use this tool to find different easing effects. Let's suppose we want to add this easing effect. Click on it, scroll down to the math function. Then you have to copy this expression after return. Simply copy, then come back over here and paste the expression. Make sure to replace the x variable with t in the expression to make it work. Let's save the page and let's see how it looks. Now, as you can see, it has implemented our custom easing. From the connection tab, you can add smooth scroll with the scroll navigation block from Blocks. To do that, you have to just simply enable this, add the scroll navigation block on the same page to make it work. So that's it for the smooth scroll block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.